This is a room tour of Grand Suite 10254 on Oasis of the Seas. As we come into the room, you can see nice and open. The bed's on the right, living area on the left. All right, we'll start looking back at where we're located. So on the ship map, we're located here. So we're near the aft elevators. And then our muster station is E4, which is near the Royal Promenade. So there is a small step up into the bathroom. It's not bad. It's a very small step. As you come into the bathroom, there are double sinks, which is the great thing about a Grand Suite. The Grand Suite has this large bathroom with 2 sinks. It's just really nice. You've got some storage on the shelf on the side here. You've got your toilet. There's our other sink. And beneath each sink, you've got some additional storage and some drawers. You've got a full-size tub. It is a bit of a step up into the tub. And then this has the Malin and Goats amenities with the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So nice big bathtub shower. And then the shower head is adjustable. Can go up and down to adjust the height on that. And again, just a nice overview of the bathroom here. The double sinks is the big benefit of the Grand Suite. Just a very nice large space here in the bathroom. As we come back out into the room, we'll look over this way into the closet, bar, and storage area. So there's a small bar back here in the back, a little bar area, and there's drawers below it with a cabinet above. This is where your safe is located. This is a little bit larger safe than we've seen on some of the newer ships. So you could definitely probably get a laptop, iPad, that type of thing in there. It's a fairly good size safe in this room. Again, below that we've got the shelving area with the ice bucket and things. And so then we come into the cabinet, the closet. You've got some shelves on one side for storage. There's a shelf up above. There's plenty of hangers. And then you've got your Royal Caribbean robes. These are the one size fits most, and it does have a hood on it. So those are great for just relaxing around the room in the mornings. Behind that, we have this bar area where you have your coffee maker. Again, it's the Lavazza. You got your Lavazza pods. You pop them in here, pop that down, press the button, make your coffee. So that's your Lavazza coffee machine. You've got some complimentary water. And then down below here, we have the cooler. And this one's actually fairly large. It's not necessarily a refrigerator, but a cooler. But it keeps things fairly cool. So this is just a nice bar area, nice shelving down below it. All right, as we come into the sitting area on the left, you have a sofa and 2 chairs. And then there's the TV that swivels so you can watch it from either side of the room. And then we have the king size bed. This can be separated into 2 twins if you need. There's a nightstand on each side. There's a phone on that side, on the left side, and then there's a phone over here on the desk area. Neither of them have a USB port. There is a plug over by the coffee maker, and then there is a plug in this desk area. There are 2 American plugs and 1 European plug, but it looks like this one, the European plug, does not look like it is very functional. At the desk area on each side, there is a nice bit of shelving. And then in the top drawer here is the hair dryer. You do not have to hold the button on this one. It's just up and down, high, low. It's a decent hair dryer. The rest of the desk area, you have a nice lighted mirror with lighting around it. Again, more storage, more drawers on the side. Also, I wanted to point out 2 other features of the room. On the other side of this bar area, where the coffee maker and things are, there is additional storage. There's 3 drawers over there. And then on this other side, where the bed is, there is a curtain that looks like it will pull all the way across the room to kind of block off the bed from the rest of the room. And then we'll go out to the balcony, which is a highlight of these rooms. We have a very nice large balcony. This is a grand suite, so it's like a double-sized balcony. There's a table with 2 chairs on this side, and then we have a small table with 2 loungers on this side. So just a really nice large balcony. Let's do an overview of the balcony. Here's our 2 loungers and the table for the loungers. And then as we look around to this other side, we have our table with 2 chairs. And today we are in the port of Fort Lauderdale, and it is an absolutely glorious day to be setting out on a cruise. And again, this has been Oasis of the Seas, 1-bedroom grand suite, 10254. And here's another just overview of the room looking back from this direction.